Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Here today taking a quick look at this 2012 Mack with 14.5-foot Boulder Lane Dump Body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Just gonna do a quick walk around the truck. This one's got super single tires on it with the smaller engine too, so it should be a pretty lightweight truck. Get a decent amount of concrete chunks back there. Has a little trench gate, hitch plate there, which you can add a tow hitch in later, but main purpose is to protect those airbags. You can see dump concrete chunks are going to be rolling right back under the truck there into those bags. This does have the high lift tailgate. The cylinders are inside that rear post. Electric tarp, and we could do custom paint jobs to match this paint scheme as well. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.